Here's how to turn a child's drawing into a short animated story with KidsAI. First, let your child draw anything they imagine. Simple lines are all you need. Take a clear photo of the finished sketch. Open KidsAI.art and upload the drawing. Choose a magic style. KidsAI colors the sketch and keeps the child's idea at the center. When the color version is ready, you can see the finished illustration first. Now compare the original sketch with the bright new artwork. Next, open the animation tool, choose the settings, and generate the video. In a moment, the artwork starts to move. KidsAI helps every child's picture become a little story.